Today we are going to learn some important bash scripting concept, if else, and that is very much important for programming also. Let's say at first we create a file. Okay, delete this file, we don't need this. Create a file, touch test.sh, and now here we have to write this user bin bash, and let's say right here that is equal to 18. If, yeah, I'm going to explain, don't worry. And here I'm going to write something, then fi. Okay, let's say echo this state, it is true. Okay, what I am doing, that I am writing a syntax if. For when we use the if, this is the block to test the condition. Okay, we will write there that if is how we call the variable using the dollar sign. Okay, and greater than, gt means greater than 3, gt means greater than 3. When this condition is true, only then if body this execute, otherwise it will exit from the program. Control save it. Okay, saved it, and now we have to change the permission. U plus 6. Okay, now run it. This statement is true. Okay, you see that when this condition is true, this block will execute. If I change this, let's say nano, I'm going to write here is 1. Okay, 1. Now run it. It will show nothing because it did not enter the body. Okay, because this condition is false. When this condition is false, it will not enter to the body. This is how if works, and we can use else. Now open the program and right here same program, EL, and here write that echo this is false. Okay, and also you can write, okay, that's all. And we can see this. So here you have to write not EL, this is else. So here the condition, when it is true, it will enter the for this body or block, and when this statement is false, it is going to enter the else, this part. Okay, now let's run this. You see this is false. Get, okay, run this, and run this and get. So now see here that this condition is false, that's why it did not enter to the if body, and it went to the else body. That's why it is printing this is false. If you change this nano, if you change this, what will happen? If you change this, let's say age I am writing 18. When I write 18, so this statement condition is true, so it is going to again enter here. Okay, you see, so now this condition is true. Age 18 is greater than 3. This condition is true, that's why it is executing this part. This is how if else works. I hope you understood something about this.